I'm going to show you how I made these popcorn cupcakes and share some content creation tips. I always save my extra cupcakes and freeze them, even if they have frosting on them, and you can do this with cakes as well. Just scrape the frosting off and then freeze them. For cakes, I would wrap them in saran wrap. For cupcakes, I will put them in an airtight container. I also save leftover buttercream in the fridge, which is what I'm using here. You're not giving these to anyone, so it's fine. It's just for content and it saves you money and time. We are using marshmallows for the popcorn. I cut some up just to have different sizes so it can look more realistic. When placing the marshmallows, make sure to stick them directly to the frosting and not on top of each other so that they will not fall off. To add more height, just add a little more frosting and stick a few more pieces on. Then I bought these cute little wrappers from Amazon and they are adjustable so you can use any size cupcake. Next, I used a little food coloring from Hobby Lobby that I thought was yellow, but I guess it was gold. So this will be like cheddar popcorn. These are perfect for a birthday party or just a fun activity with your kids or friends. And I really hope that you try it. All right, bye.